Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Begin by establishing a horizon line and vanishing points for perspective. Sketch the car base 3, 700 mm long with a 2, 400 mm wheelbase measured from axle center to axle center. Mark wheel centers and draw circles for 13-inch diameter wheels, keeping them vertically aligned beneath the arches. Block in the cabin and hood. The hood should occupy about 1/4 of the total length, the roof peak near 400 mm above the ground, and the windshield steep, but balanced with the A-pillar. Use confident long strokes to define the boxy profile of the Mk1. Keep a horizontal belt line across the doors and a shallow roof arc. Place round headlights roughly 150 mm from the front bumper edge and centered vertically with the rectangular grille opening. Position the bumper as a simple square element wrapping the front. Indicate door seams and the small rear quarter windows, and sketch wheel arches with consistent clearance. Keep fender flare subtle and retain the car's compact, angular silhouette. Detail the wheels with simple steel rims, 5 lug nuts, and a center hubcap. Choose a tire width near 175 mm to keep proportions correct and refine the wheel arch spacing. Add exterior details: side mirrors mounted at the A-pillar, a small rectangular badge on the grille, simple push-button door handles, and the rear taillight clusters. Ink final lines with a 0.3 mm pen, erase construction marks, then shade using a 2H pencil for structure and a 4B pencil for deep shadow.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.